friends, I'm here with a new recipe, jackfruit mango curry. Jackfruit is the largest tree-borne fruit native of south of India. You can see the tree. Here I have got a big jackfruit. The outside of the jackfruit is bumpy with spikes. I'm going to cut it. The inside is very sticky. We need to apply oil when we are cutting it, and inside it will have a thick core which runs throughout the fruit. It is whitish in color. Then it will have tendrils, lots of it, all over the fruit. And then there is the fleshy part called pods, inside which it will have the seeds. You can see the milk coming out. So these are the cut ones with pods and the seeds, and the rashes you can see. And this is how you clean the pods, and you take the seeds out of it. And the pods are the fleshy yellowish part which can be eaten. So today I am cooking with the frozen part, that is the unripe one. Here you can see the seeds and the jackfruit part, that is the pod. This is the seed and mango. Everything is cut and washed. This is a superfood and a staple food of the state of Kerala in India. This has got high protein, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Here I am using turmeric, cumin seeds, cayenne powder or chili powder, and lots of coconut. I am cooking it in coconut oil. Here I am taking a pan with some coconut oil. The jackfruit has got a large amount of fiber in it, especially in the seeds. It has also got vitamin C, B6, calcium, potassium, phosphorus. Almost all the parts of the jackfruit plant are mostly edible. Here I have taken some mustard. I'm cracking some mustards, adding some curry leaves. This is how we season the dish. The leaves of the jackfruit plant is used for medicinal purposes for diabetes. I'm also adding some dried red chili to give some heat. Then I'm adding the frozen cut pods, jackfruit pods. I just got the frozen ones. The seeds have a brown skin which can be removed and cleaned and washed. I will put a link how to clean the seeds. I have explained it in a different video, so I'll give the link for that. I'm adding some turmeric powder, chili powder, and just keep sauteing it. There are lots of benefits of jackfruit. It improves digestion, treats inflammation, reduces blood pressure, heart diseases, strokes, and it's very good for bone health. It's very good for weight loss. Here I've added some mango pieces. It is also anti-cancerous, reduces aging. It's very good for the skin and the hair. It's a very good superfood, a substitute for meat. You can substitute for meat like beef and pork. You can cook them in various ways. Here I'm adding some water for the jackfruit and the mango to be cooked. This superfood is very good for weight loss, and it has got lots of fiber, especially in the seeds. I'm using lots of coconut, cumin seeds, which I'll be grinding together along with some garlic pods. This is the masala which we prepare to add it to the curry. This superfood is available like chips, smoothies, desserts, and also curries. This jackfruit is available in the form of flour, jackfruit flour. See, I have ground the masalas. Now I am adding to the curry and let the curry and the jackfruit mango cook along with the masala. That is the coconut. So jackfruit is becoming a superfood nowadays, and it is found everywhere, especially in the south of India, the state of Kerala, where this is the staple food. My husband belongs to Kerala, so this is their staple food there. This jackfruit pods can be used in curries, chips, smoothies, desserts. Also, the jackfruit flour is used to make tortillas. There are n number of ways to cook this jackfruit. The curry is ready now. You can just taste for the salt. This is a bland dish, and it is always served with rice or the jackfruit mashed or tapioca that is mashed. You can see this creamy texture. It's tangy, sour, and very tasty, and very quick to make. If you are taking the fresh ones, it will give a better taste. I didn't get it, so I'm taking the frozen ones. This dish goes very well with mashed jackfruit or mashed tapioca, which is a staple in the state of Kerala in India. Please do try this recipe at your homes and share it with your family and friends, and motivate me by subscribing to my channel. Please do like and share this video among your friends. The fruits of this plant are eaten raw or ripe. The leaves and the barks are used for medicinal purposes. So it's really a superfood. Thank you for watching.